Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing for this Boult AirBass FreePods. So as you can see, I bought this box from Flipkart and it costed me around 1700 rupees. So before that I also used this Apple Airpods Pro. As you can see, this is the Apple Airpods Pro. So I have not used a lot of AirPods in my journey. So these are the two AirPods I have with me right now. So in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing for this Boult AirPods, or you can call it Boult AirBass FreePods. So it's costed me around 1700 rupees. Don't worry, I'll give you the link in the video description below. So I bought it from Flipkart. So in this video we're going to do the unboxing, and also as I said that I have the AirPods Pro with me, so I will just also compare the design and the build quality. How does it fare with the Apple AirPods Pro? Also, it doesn't make any sense to compare with this premium Apple AirPods Pro because this costed me around 18,000 rupees, and this is the the 10% of the price for that. This is just 1800 rupees. So let's just start the video. So before that, if you're new here on my channel and happen to enjoy this kind of content, do give this video a thumbs up, and also it would mean a lot to me if you do subscribe to the channel, because it gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos with you guys. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So here is the box for Boult AirBass FreePods. So this is a sealed box. As you can see, I bought it from Flipkart. I will be leaving the link in the description below, so where you can buy it either from Flipkart or Amazon. So this is a sealed box, as you can see. So let's just do the unboxing. Also, I have AirPods Pro, so we'll just be comparing the design and overall how the performance of this earbuds are. So as you can see, this is a sealed box. So let me just open the box first, then I'll show you what exactly do we get within this box. Alright guys, so within this box we get this bill, and let me keep it aside. And apart from that, so this is actually nicely wrapped, and here is the main package. So as you can see, this is the box itself. So let me keep this Flipkart box aside. So I just wanted to do a sealed box unboxing, because nowadays a lot of time we are getting tampered packages and all. So I just wanted to do the complete unboxing in front of the camera. So let me just keep this box aside. So here you can see, this is the box itself. As you can see, it's mentioned extra bass and AirBuds FreePods. So on top of that, it gives a rough design how the how the FreePods would look like. And taking a look at the back of the box, some of the features are mentioned. So as you can see, it says it's 18 hours of playtime, 3 days of standby time. It supports both the Google Voice Assistant and the Siri, and it supports also passive noise cancellation. So when I'll be testing this earbuds, so I'll get to you guys how the passive noise cancellation works. Also, I have this AirPods Pro which supports actually active noise cancellation. So we'll try to compare both of this, and I will let you know. Also, it supports Bluetooth 5.0, and it also has this stereo calling mic. So as you can see, this is how this box looks like. So let me do one thing. Let me just open the seal and let's see. Alright, so let me slide this box out and let me see. Alright guys, so opening the box up, we get this red color envelope kind of a thing which says Boult Audio, and if you take a look at it, some paperworks are there. So this is basically a simply Pro based FreePods user manual. So if you want, you can have a glance at the instruction, and then let me just keep it aside. Apart from that, there should be a warranty card. As you can see, it also gives you this 1-year warranty card. Apart from that, we have got an accessory box and the main charging case, or the main FreePods box. So let me just take it out. It's nicely wrapped in this plastic, so let me just slide it out. Alright, so as you can see, this is the box itself. It's actually very shiny, so I opted for this black color. There were 3 colors, one was black, one was white, and one was black and gray. So I opted for this beautiful looking black and red color. So let me know in the comment section how is the color looking and how do you like the looks of this Boult Audio. So before taking an extensive look at this earpods, so let me have a look at this accessory box as well. So this is a nice accessory box. So let me just try to open it and let me see what we get. So probably USB cable to charge it. Okay, so this is a type C cable. It's nice that we are getting this USB type C cable. So with the help of this cable you can charge your charging case or discharge your earpods. And also here we have a this USB-C type port. So with the help of this USB-C type cable you can charge your earpods. So these are the things that you basically get in the box. So let me keep these things aside and let me take a closer look at this Boult AirPods. Alright guys, taking a look at this Boult AirPods, as you can see, the look and finish of this AirPods or the FreePods, whatever they call it, it's actually pretty black and it's very shiny, so it will attract a lot of fingerprints. As you can see, the initial impression says that. So once you open it, so as you can see, it's actually pure plastic. And if I talk about the build quality, so it has that magnet, so if I just push it, it basically latch on to the cover. So here if I talk about the hinge, so it's basically all plastic. So this earphone only cost around 1700 rupees if you buy it from Flipkart, so don't expect too much. And if I talk about the design, let me just take out the earbuds. So if I talk about the design, it's all plastic, and this is very much inspired by Apple AirPods Pro. So also I have here this Apple AirPods Pro. So let me just take out this Apple AirPods Pro so that you can get an idea. So as you can see, this is the Apple AirPods Pro. So let me just take this out so that you can compare by looking at this by yourself. So as you can see, these are the Apple AirPods Pro at my right hand side, and these are the Boult FreePods on the left hand side. These are pretty identical, just the difference is that this is in white color and this is in black color. So the design, I would say, is pretty much inspired by this Apple AirPods Pro. So inspiring design is never a bad thing, but let me also test out the sound quality. And also here I have, so let me see how the pairing process looks like. So let me just keep this Apple AirPods Pro aside for the time being, and we will see the pairing process. I have an Android phone here, so I have already taken out the earbuds, and let's see, go to the Bluetooth setting and let's see whether it is able to detect this Boult FreePods or not. So as you can see, it's already detected this Boult Audio FreePods. So if I tap on this, so it says basically that it is pairing, and within a second guys, as you can see, within a second it is connected, and also it gives me a rough estimate of the battery life as well. So it says battery life is 90%. So once I tap on it, it gives me a pop-up asking me whether I would like to disconnect it or not. So as of now, I am not going to be disconnecting this. So the pairing process is pretty simple, and also as I said that in the initial part of the video, that it supports your Bluetooth 5.0. so the Bluetooth 5.0 is very fast in terms of connecting all the phones. So pairing process is basically very fast. So also I have an iPhone here, so let me see whether I can connect it to my iPhone. So first let me turn off the Bluetooth for the Android phone, and let me see whether I can connect it to the iPhone or not. So here I have the FreePods. Let me go to the Bluetooth option and let me see whether I'm able to see this Boult FreePods or not. So it found this Boult Audio FreePods. So let me just tap on it, and the moment I tap on it, it's just basically trying to connect, and it says that Boult Audio AirPods are connected. So as you can see, I got a notification as well. So it's connected basically. So as you can see, Boult Audio FreePods are connected. So I will make a separate video guys regarding the sound quality. In this video I just wanted to give you the unboxing and my initial impression for this Boult FreePods. So the design of this AirPods or the FreePods, I would say, is pretty much inspired by this Apple AirPods. So I will be testing out this, and also I will be testing out the sound quality, how is the mic quality as well, and also this earphones or the earbuds are IPX7 water resistant. So if you're going to gym, if you're working out, so it should not be a problem while using this earpods. So if you want to buy this earpods, I will be giving the link in the description below from where you can buy it. So definitely do check out the link in order to buy this earphone. So then again, I hope you liked this short video. Give this video a thumbs up, and then again do subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos. And with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.